What's good, boo boo kitties? It's the girl with the guy's name, gang gang. You know what I'm saying? Hey, boo boo kitties. Hey, boo, hey. Super excited to come with you guys for a glitch effect tutorial that's super easy, super basic, super beginner friendly for those of you who are pocket camera content creators. Before we get into this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Please make sure you press that notification gang so that you get notified of my videos. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into glitch video, and right here, this top right, you're going to see this camcorder icon. So we're going to click that, and you're going to choose whichever video clip you want to get that glitch effect on. So you're going to press choose at the bottom right. The beauty about this app is that you get a variety of choices for glitches, right? So when you press your finger, when you touch the screen, you can see the first effect is called wave. As you can see here, you can see the words there once you touch the screen. So this is the wave effect. I didn't want that effect, so let's look at the next one. So the next one is the motion effect. This is the motion effect. This is the trip effect. This is the destruction effect, but I personally wanted to do the split effect, which is this here. And this is like, I feel like the most popular effect, called the split effect. So we're gonna do that. So since I only want this effect to happen when I'm looking at the camera, I'm gonna place my finger down and release it when I want the glitch effect to end, right? So I'm just playing around and just showing you guys the variety of glitches that you get to choose from. So when you're ready to add your glitch effect to your video, this is what you're going to do. You're going to press this record button at the bottom of the screen. And since I want my glitch effect to happen when I'm looking at the screen, I pressed where it says split and I released my finger. And we're just going to wait for this ad to hurry on up. And now it's in my camera roll. So the glitch effect happens when I look at the screen, and voila. All right, so we're gonna exit out of the glitch app and we're gonna go into our photos and just make sure that it's in our camera roll. I love how it looks. Okay, so I wanna use this. We're gonna go hop into iMovie. We're gonna go to create a new project, movie, create movie. We're gonna add videos. And we're going to go in and add this clip that we just made in the glitch effect. And we're going to make sure that it's that effect. You're going to press this plus button to add to our project. Just making sure, double checking one more time. Don't hurt to double check. And now here you have it, you guys. You have imported your video clip into your iMovie project with the glitch effect, and we're just going to save it as a glitch effect. Boom. And now we're going to save this to our desktop, and there you have it, your glitch effect video. So this was super easy, super quick. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you feel like this was helpful, leave a comment down below. I'm going to be coming back to you guys this week with how to do the glitch text in your videos on your iPhone. And if you guys want to know how I do it on my Final Cut Pro X, for those of you who are Mac users, make sure that you leave a comment down below and I got y'all. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.